So we got this felted and matted, fascia on to there, and then when we build that up, cut that back a bit and sort that out. Don't know where yet, so I'm just waiting for that because stones stick up out a bit. So we'll sort that out later. But we need to get this valley done at this side now because we're missing it. We haven't done it yet. So we'll get this set up. So yeah, we need to get some lay boards in and then we'll put the last, is it 2 or 3? We've got 3 I think. Diminishing trusses in. Right, we'll pin a board onto the ridge, yeah, first. So we can take this off later. So I'll do a little bit of talking over this one. So we've just got to put a board on top and then level that through, and that gives us a nice guide for us ridge. And then we just set as boards up, as lay boards. We level them in all the way up, and then you just put your diminishing trusses on, and away you go. 600 centres. That's how it worked on this one. And yeah, that's pretty much how you did it. Yeah, we would have really liked to have done some good videos on this part, but to be honest, we have to get it done. Scaffolds up for coming down pretty soon. We're gonna go a couple of weeks over, a bit luck of it, so that might cost customer a couple of extra £, to be fair. But we have been on other jobs, we've had us holidays, and that stonework, whoa, it takes so long to do. So here I'm just putting some battens down just to hold underneath of it up, give it a bit of support underneath, and then we're just putting the braces on. To be fair, I don't think they give us enough braces, and I think we're going to be ordering some more because I'm pretty certain the inspector will come out and he'll be like, yeah, you need some more braces in this, because over the whole lot there's actually not that many braces in it. So, camera run out, but we've got these in. So we've got some, we currently get 8x2s in it, I think. We're just going to put some 8x1s up, but they only had 8x2s, so we've put them underneath. And I just put a thin sheet of ply on top to get it right. And then we'll just, we'll run some felt down there, and then some felt across. And we'll get it all felted. So, and that's what we've done. So you can see, just put some 8x2s under it, and then just some thin ply on top just to get rid of all little bumps and lumps and bumps to make it nice and smooth. Well, that's what we've done on that one. So that bit's done. So we've got that side felted, so we just need to get it all felted and we start tiling. So them 8x2s are well over the top. Let me know how you guys do these valleys. I've seen them done in ply, like 18mm ply, and that seems to work very well as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what we had, so we used it. And then we had some thin ply, we already had that, so we used that as well. Josh is back, just putting a little mix on for the pointing. Tim's just sorting out this gable end we've got up, but we have got the stonework at the back to do yet. But we've been tidying out. Look. So this is that room that we've been tidying up. You see how long them beams are now, look. 9 point something meters. Can you remember what they were, Tim? 9.6 to that beam. And then another, I don't know, to Tim, another 4. I think it's 13.5 meters long, this room at the minute. Tilt walls go up. So it's been a few weeks. We went and did that oak porch, but we got these tiles on, done some leading. That's leading. I never show doing leading because well, I'm not a leader. So, but this is how I did it. We just had some battens on and then folded it in. We had all cuts up there, ridge tiles, some leading round there, and then we're getting this gable up. It's gone cold though now, hasn't it, Tim? These last 2 weeks. So yeah, we just got this to point to finish off on that. We've done tiled right on the side, but we've got gable to do on that end, some stone round there, some stone right back. So we've got a fair bit to do, but we're going to crack on with that. Next week we'll get filming again. So next week we're going to do a bit of a giveaway. Toptes has given me 2 gas detectors. I'm going to keep one myself, and we're going to give one away. It's a tool for like DIYers and stuff like that. You can have them around your house, just in case you think you've got a gas leak. You can use that. I've already had a quick play with them and they're pretty good. So we'll make a little video on that next week and we'll do a giveaway on one of them. Right, anyways, better get back to it. See you later.